Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I would love it if you join my fam. We talk about luxury here and all things handbags and whatever else you guys want to talk about. I'm always in the comments with you guys talking. Even in my older videos, I'm always replying back, so I hope you guys are gonna stick around. If you are new and subscribe, I would love it. Yeah guys, we're talking about Murakami from Louis Vuitton. The madness that happened along with it for me. It was crazy. So, but yeah, you guys, I haven't seen you guys in a while. Hope you guys are doing well. Leave me some comments, and then also you guys make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It's the same. It's at Makeup Love Divina. Both of my handles are the same. So, a little backstory. I'm in Arizona, so the closest store to me is Scottsdale. Scottsdale was crazy. I've been talking to my SA for so long about this, and also they were like no help. So it was really difficult for this collection, and I don't know why they made it so annoying. I feel like it turned a lot of people off, because if you weren't VVIC or VIC, you kind of like meant nothing for this collection. And also some influencers were getting stuff for free, which is like, hello, why are you giving away stuff? You don't even have enough things for these people. Oh my gosh, on launch day on the website, I was like a hawk stalking the whole website till like midnight to 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. It was crazy. No help. Everything once it went live was sold out. Like, could you believe it? Like, I keep on saying like, sorry. It was really disappointing, I would say. Because a lot of people that even weren't Louis Vuitton fans like that or buying like that wanted something from this collection, because I feel like us millennials, you know, we loved this. Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian, Mean Girls, whatever else you could think of back in the day. Like, everyone had a Murakami piece, I felt like, you know, and obviously we were younger. I was probably like 12 or 13, something like that. And obviously I didn't have Louis Vuitton money to just go ahead and buy something. So, and I don't like to go the pre-loved route either. I'd rather buy new if I can. I'm just a crazy person like that. I don't own anybody's like secondhand stuff. It's just a crazy thing. I just can't do it. I don't know if it's I don't know why. I just can't. So when this collection came out, 20th anniversary, I was so excited because the little girl in me was like, we can get something now. So it was amazing. But yeah guys, I went in the morning, I ran to Louis Vuitton, stayed in line. I was the third in line. It was a huge line after, I want to say like an hour before the store opened. And I felt so bad for everybody because there was nothing in the store. Literally nothing. Everything that was there was ringing up for other people that were already had placed an order. So I was able to grab 2 things from Scottsdale, and then 2 things from client services. And then also another item that's coming in like 3 months. So I might cancel it. It is actually the Pochette accessoire with the panda on it and the monogram. It is crazy. I don't know if I want to wait 3 months. At that point, do I really even want it? But I really wanted the Pochette accessoire in... You guys will see it. I'll show you guys which one I got, but I don't want to say it right now. So I was like really excited that I did get the things I got. So 2 things from there, 2 things from client services I was able to order on the 3rd as well. And those were 2 card holders. And then the bag that I got was so hard to get. I literally had to fight and be on the website every single day. And I was able to manage to call a whole bunch of Saks. When it popped up, it said Saks this, Louis Vuitton, that place, Louis Vuitton. I was calling and calling and calling, and nobody really was any help except for one person. And that's how I was able to get this item. So, but yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. But yeah, I did get the packaging. I know it's a lot of crazy stuff about packaging as well. This was actually from my Louis Vuitton store. They were nice enough to give me this one, the big one, and the smaller one. But yeah, I know it's been a crazy stuff about packaging. And this is one of the little guys. I did get stickers as well, guys. So I was good on that. I didn't really have an issue with those things. But let's go ahead and get into it. Some of them are packaged good to where I don't have to like open it in any crazy way. But this is from the Scottsdale store that I was able to get. This is not what I wanted, but I was like, let me grab something before I don't have a chance to get anything at all. So I was like, let me just go and get it. It's a really pretty keychain. It's gorgeous. Has the Murakami little background. Oh my gosh, my lights are so bright. Sorry guys. But yeah, it's pink. It's cute. I thought this was adorable. I didn't even see it at first, and I saw it in a bag and I was like, what is that? Can I get it? And then he's like, yeah. And then but yeah, I was really disappointed. I'm not gonna even lie. It was crazy. But this is the other one. This was also from Scottsdale. And the girl in front of me actually wanted this, and I felt so bad. I'm like, oh, sorry girl. But I'm like, I have to get something in case I don't get anything at all. But yes, it's the mini pochette. It's the only mini pochette from the whole collection. Cherries and cherry blossoms. This is the only mini pochette. I don't know why they did that, but yeah. And also on the website, it shows this as like a Vachetta tab, but that was weird. It's just black. So cute. This actually feels a lot better than the regular one. I have it back there, but I should have grabbed it to show you guys the difference, but maybe I'll do a comparison if you're interested. So yeah, this one is made in France, and it just says 20th anniversary celebration. It's just like a suede material on the inside. It was such a cute piece, and like I said, the girl in front of me wanted it. I was like, sorry girl, I had to get it. I'm sorry. This was like the only one, and I know these are really hard to get, but I don't know if you guys are even still interested in getting anything, only because it's gone. It's gone, and it's such a crazy headache to even like think about. I don't even want to think about it. I don't ever want to go through that again, because that was ridiculous. So yeah, so we did these ones, yeah. And then these were the ones from client services that came really quickly. I was scared I was gonna get canceled, but it didn't. So 2000s iconic. I love it. I know a lot of people are having issues with the glazing. My glazing is like perfect. So this is the Rosalie, and then also same thing. This one's actually made in Spain. Excuse my nails. I haven't had any interest to get my nails done, but I love the smooth zipper. So this is so cute. I absolutely love this. This was like one of the pieces that I was like, I want to have this. So I'm happy that I got this. It's adorable, and I love the white and the pink. I wish the black version they would have kept it as like with gold hardware, because I did not like the silver hardware. So that was a kind of sad. Oh, here we go, the stickers, you guys. I did get stickers, and I got them on all of them, so I have all the stickers, but this was the only one that I opened up. Oop, if you guys hear my dog, sorry. But yeah, these are like the little stickers, and here's the little guy. Oop, he's so cute. But I know a lot of people didn't get any packaging, any stickers, and I feel bad. I'm like, if you're gonna do that, why not like make it correct for everybody, you know? So it was a little crazy. I apologize for my dog barking. But then this is the other. Oh, sounds scary. Oh wait, we already did this one. Haha. That was the one we just did. Here we go. And this was the other one. It also came wrapped up in that as well. Also stickers. Ta-da! So cute, you guys. I love this panda and the monogram. So this is the Pochette accessoire that I have, and I have to wait 3 months for it. So I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it, because I don't know if I'd be interested any longer. But yeah, this one is made in Spain as well. Seems like the smaller items are made in Spain. But yeah, you guys, this is adorable. I wish it had a little butt on it, but it's cute nonetheless. But yeah, if you guys got anything from this collection, let me know. Let me know how it went for you guys. I'm afraid to ask because it's been crazy. But yeah, so, and then my last item was the one from Saks. So there was like no packaging, no stickers, and nothing. But it's okay. This was like my hard work paid off type of thing, okay? You guys ready? So freaking cute, so iconic, so 2000s. Literally, this is the only thing. If I could pick anything from the collection that I wanted, this was it. This was it, and it was so hard to get. It was crazy. But yes, you guys, I love it. This feels so nice. It feels heavy, sturdy. I'm not a fan of the Vachetta, of course, but you know, I didn't have a choice. I had to get it. So this one has a little tab for the extra chain. I'll show you guys. That one has like stamped Louis Vuitton on this. You know, I have my regular Pochette accessoire. This I didn't realize is smaller than that one. So that was pretty crazy. But yeah, it's beautiful. Like, sorry, my light is washing it out. But yeah, you guys, 20th anniversary celebration. Here we go, Louis Vuitton Murakami. Oh my gosh, there it is. And it's like a suede material on the inside. I'm kind of afraid that it's gonna get messed up, but I guess we shall see. I haven't even taken that stuff off of there, but yeah, so you just hook this to here, and then instead of hooking it to, you know how we usually would just hook it to this D-ring, they actually made an extra one at the bottom because the regular one don't have that, or maybe it does, I don't know, the new version. But yeah, you guys, it's so cute. I love it. It's so, just reminds me of my childhood. I've always been into designer, so it's like it means something to me, you know. It wasn't just a random purchase that I was like, oh yeah, I like that, let me grab it. But no, this like means something to me, and I'm happy I was able to get it as an adult. Like I said, I don't go the pre-love route, so, and I'm also not paying crazy amounts for it either. But yeah, you guys, that was pretty much all that I got, and I'm happy. The only thing I'm missing is the Panda Pochette accessoire. But like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna cancel it. I just found out it's gonna take 3 months, so we don't know if we're gonna wait 3 months for that, because that's like a big, huge time to wait. But yeah, guys, I also have another video planned, and it's on this, which I will tell you guys all about. My most worn bag for 2024. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and join my fam. I will be back making more videos. Hopefully in 2025 I'll be on here more. But yeah, guys, I've just been busy mom with everything, cheer and whatever else is going on, and school with kids. But that's pretty much all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got, if you got anything. How did it go for you? I would really like to know that, actually, so let me know. But yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will talk to you guys in my next video. And like I said, if you have not subscribe, and join me on Instagram as well, because I'm always on there. But yes, guys, thank you. Bye, y'all.